Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
Alright, so here are the ones from the 15th, 16th, and 17th. Those are pretty cool. And actually, today is the 19th, right there. So let's crack this open. And the one for today is chicken Demae ramen. So let's do that. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. It is the 19th day of December 2025. See, I can make mistakes like that, but I'm not the president or nothing. Nissin Demae ramen chicken from Germany, made in Hungary. And I will admit, I'm slightly hungry. Wow. Look how smoothly that packaging opens. I gotta admit, for me, that's snazzo right there. Dropping in the noodle. Setting a timer. Getting you all situated. And here we go. You got Christmas lights, you got a garland, look at the fanciful garland, and you got me. How can you go wrong? Yeah, I am beat. Wow. I don't know why I feel like such crap, but I do. But that's okay. It'll go away. I'm hoping. I don't want to be feeling like perma crap. Although it was really cold this morning. It was like 38 degrees and it was breezy. I was freezing my buns off, as it were. Yeah, I'm still feeling kind of cold. Everybody's been feeling kind of crummy. I don't know if there's like, if it's the weather or everybody's getting a cold or we're just passing around some kind of sick. I don't know, but it's really not too many of our likings. But yeah, it's Friday. It's Friday. I'm pretty jazzed. I put a call out for a camera. Ended up meeting this guy who was more than happy to hook me up, and now I have two more, and they're really fancy. I'm just waiting to find some parts, and it was like, if you need some lenses, get a hold of me, you know. And so I'm gonna get a hold of them, and maybe I can get some more parts. And really nice guy. I want to thank Mr. Unnamed for hooking me up. That's probably the right way to go, but anonymous donor, dude, wow. Really cool. Gosh, like 6 months ago, I only had one DSLR and it was just like hanging on my copy stand for taking the pictures top down of everything. Now I've got, what, 5? Granted, one of them is like incredibly old, and one I've had for like 13, 14 years, but I'm gonna talk to him again. Maybe I can get a newer one. He's got like all this equipment, and dude's moving, and yeah. There's some really nice people in the world, I gotta say. It's really super kind. Yeah. We could use more of that in this universe, I think. Not just because, I mean, new camera gear, that totally benefits me, but I think any kind of kindness is good in this holiday season. and beyond. But yeah. All right. Of course, I'd also like to thank the folks at Nissin Foods Germany. I should say something. I think, is it Nissin Foods Europe? I don't know. I've always, when they've sent me stuff, they've always been Nissin Deutschland. And I don't know if that's new now or not, but if I'm saying the wrong thing, I apologize, but I'm guessing, I don't think I am. I hope I'm not. When somebody sends me an advent calendar full of delicious instant noodle varieties to review, I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna say, what? You said that, used the wrong nomenclature. If I'm gonna, I don't know. Anyway, I'm like, I feel so crummy and so beat, like sickly. But it was like, the environment here was very moist, very nice weather, and now it's like very cold and very dry out of nowhere. I think we're getting like weather whiplash. It makes your skin all dry and your nose all funky. This smells really good, and I think this is gonna be kind of like a sesame chicken. I hear odd noises outside. I don't know. But let's have some chicken flavor. I really like the Demae ramen noodle. Not super thick, thick enough. Not like chewy, but yeah. And then here's our broth. It's not bad. It's like an oily chicken thing. I would say sesame, but it's not exactly. Okay, we're good. I've been reviewing, like, if I do a Meet the Manufacturer series, I'll do up to 15 varieties from the same company in a row. Which, granted, I haven't had a Meet the Manufacturer that has had 15 varieties from the same company sent to me or anything like that recently. But this one is kind of like a Meet the Manufacturer, but the Advent calendar has 24 varieties in it, so it's like it's an undertaking. Am I getting sick of reviewing everything from the same brand? I'll be honest, a little bit, but I don't know. They've got like dry noodle, with the soba varieties. They've got like this Demae ramen. They've got their just straight up range that they just call Nissin ramen, which is interesting. I won't say I'm bored, that's for sure. Burnt out a little. Yeah. Oh man. I want to do the scallion next. I really want to use those new cameras, but I'm waiting on a charger for one of them. One of them is a Canon, was it 5DS? And that one's a 50 megapixel camera. I don't know how well that one's gonna work. The other one is a Rebel T6S, and that one I think is gonna really work out quite well. We'll see. Ooh, I'm gonna eat this other piece of chicken. Yummy. Freshly marinated egg. I made this egg like 45 minutes ago. If that. So it's not super dark. I think some of you might be disappointed to hear that my eggs, I marinate them in soy sauce. And that's just because I really don't eat much of this egg action. I know, eggs are kind of spendy, but I just couldn't eat all that egg. So chicken. Where'd that fork go? There it is. Yeah, you can hang out on top. Go over here. Wish that scallion weren't so dark. Need to find my crushed red pepper. That would be nice. Some sesame seed. I'll use my shichimi. It just shichimi togarashi just means it's like 7 spices. Pretty sure that's the deal, isn't it? This one's Nanami Togarashi. I think, I don't know if that's the same thing or not, but right there. I'm trying to think anything else I could put on it. It looks kind of stark today. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice chicken flavor ramen, this'll work. This is good. Well, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'll be back at it tomorrow and the next day and the next day, all the way up to Christmas Eve. And then more. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, you know what to do. Have a good one. Bye-bye.